Okay, this is Nana for your usual servant. My regards to each and every one of you, wherever you find yourself, anywhere in the world. Um, as usual, I'm going to give you a simple remedy on protection, and I am going to focus on plant. This is bryophyllum. In our local dialect, we call it tamiewu, or miracle plant. In other words, now you need this. You need for you have to wake early morning. Early morning means you have not spoken to anybody. So you wake up, you offer it, you perform the normal or the usual rites, as you have to put something at the plant before you say whatever intention you have before you fetch the herb. You are going to fetch two of the herbs. Okay. After that, you will need alligator pepper. You also need a white thread, and then you will need your own hair. You need your own hair. Now, what you do is, with the two herbs, you are going to place your hair in one of the herbs, okay? And then you count 21 pieces of the alligator pepper, and you place 21 pieces of the alligator pepper onto your hair like this, okay? Then you place one of the herbs onto the hair. Simple. Then you cover it nice and easy. Then you white it. Now, I'm going to bind everything so you don't need any of the materials within. So this is how it's going to go. You pray your intentions. This is for protection. So when you are doing it, your prayer will focus on protection. That Almighty Creator, or whatever you believe in, whether you are a Christian, you are a Muslim, or what, you start with the name of your first, in the name of Creator, in the name of probably Christ, in the name of whatever. You bind on this planet, on this earth, for a reason. You brought me here to come and fulfill a purpose. If it's not my natural death, take me out of this planet or this. Let no man, let no woman, whoever, nobody should be able to kill me or to take me out of this plane, this dimension, this place, until you yourself, you call me back into eternity. You say this whilst you have chewed 7 pieces of alligator pepper. If you are a man, you chew 9 pieces of alligator pepper. Then as you are praying, you'll be spitting the alligator you chewed onto what you are binding. So you bind until everything vanishes. All the green herb vanishes. You the white thread. When you finish doing this, what you need to do to wake up at the middle of the night, somewhere around 11:30 to 12 midnight. Dig the earth, okay? Dig the earth, and the depth of your hole should be within from 5 inches to 7 inches. Now, place what you bound into the hole, and then use your left hand. Use your left hand and your left leg. Cover it, okay? That's it. Now, the result is you are naturally protected. Notice about that. Unless you go and do something which you are guilty. If your hands are not clean, it's your own cup of tea. So you always have to make sure whatever you're doing is you are on the right path. So that is the power of what it does. It protects you and whoever trying to do any spiritual arrow, any if hate you are in a place, you are you find yourself anywhere and you find that people hating you for you, and you become a subject for you or for any other this kind of how do I put it, negative spiritual thing. Please do this for your own good. This plant is very common. If you need, you can come. If you also go to the market, you can get it. It can be even found in our neighborhoods. Drop some and then pick for your own good. This I have more for you. And what I want you to do is to subscribe and then give me a thumbs up for more videos when I drop them. May the Almighty Creator, Amuria Batambada Zamra, be with you and see you through this direction and any other endeavors of your life. Peace be with you.